Hello and welcome back to another lockdown in Lincoln video. And again, this one's a little bit different to the normal walks around the streets of Lincoln. Today we're having a look at this Covid-19 self-test kit that's been given to the children and the students of Lincolnshire. And it's possibly the same one that's been given around all over the United Kingdom at the moment. Now, England is slowly coming out of lockdown after nearly 3 months in this lockdown number 3, and the students have now had to go back to school. They went back to school last week, and one of the things about going back to school is that they all had to be tested for this coronavirus, which was a huge undertaking for the schools involved, because some of these schools had over 1,000 students. And each student had to be tested twice. They tested them on a Monday and again on the Wednesday to make sure that they didn't have any symptoms of this coronavirus. And well, you can imagine the logistics in trying to test 1,000 students before they enter the classroom. It must have been absolutely immense. And well, hats off to all the schools that did manage it. I'm guessing that not many lessons actually took part in on the days that they had to do the testing. But anyway, that was last week. Now this week, all of the students have been given these COVID-19 self-test kits to bring home with them. And they've got to, of course, test themselves to make sure that they haven't got the coronavirus this week. So, what we're going to do today is we're going to have a quick unboxing. We're going to have a look at what's inside the box of these self-test kits that they've given to the students of Lincolnshire. So, let's have a look, see what's inside the box. Okay then, so here we are. We're about to unbox this Covid-19 self-test kit that have been given to all the students in Lincolnshire, and it's possibly the same one that's been given to the students all over England at the moment. The students were also given a step-by-step guide for Covid-19 self-testing. That's about how to do it all. Now, I'm not going to show you how to use this self-test kit because I'm not a qualified doctor or nurse, but there are plenty of videos on YouTube supplied by the NHS which shows you exactly how to use this COVID-19 self-test kit. So I'd advise you to go and have a look on theirs so you can get a proper description on how to use them. So right then, let's have a look at the COVID-19 self-test kit. This is a lateral flow test kit, and like I said, the school students in Lincolnshire have all been given a couple of these test kits. So let's take a look inside, if we can get them all out. Right, so what have we got here? This is looks like another leaflet, another step-by-step guide. It actually looks like the first one. Almost identical, in fact. We also have a qualification certificate, just a guarantee of the testing kit. Made in China, that one as well, by the way. So we also have, what's these? We have there's 3 foil pouches here, and these contain the test cartridges. There's a cartridge in each one of these, a plastic cartridge. I shall show you what that looks like in a moment. I shall put a picture on the screen now. So that's what these cartridges look like, because I don't want to open them up yet. There is also, what do we have here? These are the 3 extraction tubes with the little tube caps which fits on top. There's also extraction tube holder as well here, this little thing here. where you can put one of those in there and it will hold the tube upright for you. What else have we got here? We've also got 3 waste bags. That's to put all your waste in. That's self-explanatory, that one. And we've also got 3 small sachets of the solution that you have to use as well for your COVID-19 test. And we also have 3 sterile swabs, which of course you use for sticking up your nose or down by your tonsils where you're taking swabs from. So that's them. So that is what is in your COVID-19 self-test kit, and that's like I said, that's what all the students in Lincolnshire have been given. Okay, so I hope this video has been of some interest to someone, and so all this leaves me to do now is to hope that all you people out there in YouTube land stay safe and look after yourselves, and we shall see you all soon in the next video. So thanks for watching.